Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get beautiful bougie nails on a budget by using this Kiss Masterpiece one-of-a-kind money press-on nail set that I have right here. These nails are so beautiful and you're not gonna believe how easy it is to apply them. And this specific set is less than $12 and you get 42 nails. So to me that is a steal because you literally get 4 full sets of nails. So if I were you, I would just stay to watch till the end because I'm also gonna give you a full 2-week review and update so that you can see how they actually work. So the first thing you want to do is to soak some nail acetone onto a cotton pad and use this to clean any excess oil from the surface of your nails. This is going to help so that the glue sticks a little bit better onto your nails. And I'm starting off with my nails completely clean. I already filed and shaped them and removed any excess cuticles so that they are just ready to apply the press-on nails. The set comes with a liquid glue, 30 regular nails and 12 accent nails, and I'm actually happy because this liquid glue works so much better than those little stickers that other sets come with. So definitely get yourself a set that has liquid glue at least. So you want to start measuring and trying on the nails to find the right sizes for your nails. It's so important to make sure that you find the actual sizes of the nails and just lay them out on the table so that when you start applying the glue, you know which nail is going to go on each finger, and also decide which accent nails that you're going to use. It's just going to make the process a lot faster and easier once you start applying the press-on nails. Another tip is that you can actually flip the nail, and in the inside part you will find a number and use that to compare if you got the same size for both hands. Next, grab the nail file that comes in the set and file down the rough edges from the press-on nails. This is totally normal. They most of the time come with this rough edge that you wanna get it soft to avoid getting it scratched, or if you prefer them to be a little bit shorter, this is the moment where you can file them down. And I personally prefer doing this before applying them, just so that you don't mess around with the glue once you put them on. Believe me, it makes it a lot easier if you file them separately before applying them on your nails. And we are finally ready to start applying them. So grab your glue and apply some of the glue to the back of the nail. Make sure that you don't use too much glue because then it's just gonna be messy. And I personally also apply glue on my actual nail. I find that when you have the 2 layers of the glue, it makes it stick a lot stronger. And I recommend to get a feel of the position of the nail before you press on hard. You actually get a few seconds in which you can move the nail around until you are sure that you placed it in the right spot. And once you're sure, make sure that you press down for a few seconds. 5 to 10 seconds will do, and as simple as that, you get the first nail on, and now you just have to repeat the same procedure on the rest of the nails. Just as a reminder, make sure to apply the glue on the back of the press-on nail and also onto your actual nail. Believe me, I've had these nails for over 2 weeks now, and I do think that adding the glue on both nails makes a huge difference for your nails to stay on for longer. And now you just have to repeat the same steps on all of the nails. And honestly, applying press-on nails is super fast. Maybe what takes you the longest is the prepping time, filing the nails, finding the right sizes, but when it actually comes to the application, I believe that it's super fast. You can probably apply the full set in maybe less than 10 minutes. So if you're in a rush and you want to get your nails pretty, you have an event or somewhere nice to go and you didn't have time to do your nails or go to the nail salon, I believe that this is just the easiest way. But make sure that you select a good quality of press-on nail set, because I have tried other brands in the past and they don't work as good as this one. This one's like I said, are by Kiss, and I love them, you guys. They look like if I had my nails done at the nail salon. So to me, that is definitely so nice, because only I know that I paid less than $12 for these nails, and they last for a long time. They make sure that my nails look on point and they don't take a lot of time. So for me, that is a win-win. So let me just speed it up from here so that I don't bore you with my talking. And I guess the last thing that I can tell you is that it does help to leave your thumb and nails for last, so that way you have the flexibility to be able to use those fingers for application purposes. So I always do my thumbnails last, but other than that, it's pretty just common sense and just about repeating the same steps. Hey guys, don't mind my expired makeup. I already removed my lashes and it's late at night, but you know what? I decided that I wanted to film this update on my press-on nails right now, because it's exactly 2 full weeks of me wearing these press-on nails. So I just have to say that I'm pretty impressed, you guys. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see it because I'm filming with my phone, but they look pretty good. I mean, you can see underneath how much my nails have actually grown, and I'm just pretty impressed because they honestly, they're not expensive at all, and you get, I believe it was like 40 plus nails. So let's say you get 4 full sets of nails in the little package that I got, and they are beautiful, you guys. Everyone asks me, oh, what kind of nails are you wearing, or where did you get your nails done? Because if you look at the little details, the accent nails are super cute, so they actually look so expensive. So I highly recommend them. But I'm only recommending this specific brand because I have tried other press-on nails in the past and they haven't lasted as long, or they just didn't necessarily fit my fingernail size, and this specific set was just perfect. So I definitely want to recommend them to you guys, because if you want to have bougie nails on a budget, this is the way to go. I washed dishes, I did all of the normal stuff that we humans do, and they stayed on. I mean, there was one incident where my thumbnail actually broke, and that was completely my fault because I was opening something and I was just not being cautious to the fact that I was wearing press-on nails. And that has happened to me, guys, even with acrylic nails in the past. So I didn't mind it. I just grab a new nail and just pop it on. This glue, it's really amazing. I know that I have tried on the press-on nails that have those little stickers. I don't think those last as much as the actual liquid glue that came on this little set. So I'm pretty impressed, you guys. You can definitely see the wear on the tip of the nails, especially because of the shape. But overall, I highly recommend them. They are super great, and I put them on with the intention of having them on just for a week. I never expected them to last for 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna leave them on and see how long they actually last. But 2 weeks, I'm completely satisfied. Even if they lasted for just 1 week, I'm satisfied. So definitely get yourself some Kiss nails because they are totally worth it. I hope that you love this video. I obviously wanted to make it more of a tutorial, but it's important for me to also show you that they actually last in real life. So I wanted to give you this quick update, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you use press-on nails. Are there any other brands that you recommend? I would love to try them because I'm sold. I'm probably just gonna keep using press-on nails because it's definitely cheaper, and you girl right here is on a budget. So definitely I love me some nice nails for the right price. So let me know what you guys think of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.